Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon everybody. Here a small video about explanation how to calculate the surface area of a cuboid. Here's an example from a cuboid where the length is 8 centimeters, the width of the cuboid is 6 centimeters and the height is 5 centimeters. And to know the total surface area of this cuboid, we're gonna separate it in different parts in rectangles. Now, we're gonna calculate faces of the cuboid, and I'm gonna start at the upper left side of my cuboid, so which means this side. To calculate that area, that rectangle, because the area of that rectangle is 6 times 5. And why 6? Because under that length is exactly the same as the width of 6 centimeters, and of course the height of my cuboid is 5 centimeters. I'm gonna multiplying this area by 2. And why by 2? Because we have 2 and exact same shape. Alright, so if we have on the left side a rectangle form 6 by 5, we even have it on the right side. Alright, so 6 times 5 times 2 is 60 square centimeters, because we're going to talk about an area. Alright, we're gonna look at the front side of my cuboid. The front side of my cuboid, the length is 8 and the height is 5. Alright, so the area of the front side is 8 times 5. But behind that area is exactly the same as the front side. So there you go, we're gonna multiply it again by 2. Alright, so 8 times 5 is 40, times 2 is 80 square centimeters. Then we have still 2 areas to go. That's the face above and under. So if we look at the base, at the ground, that area, it's 8 times 6. And 8 times 6 is under, so I'm gonna write down 8 times 6, but we know we have 2 of them, so I'm gonna multiply it by 2, because that above we have exactly the same rectangle. Alright, so 8 times 6 times 2 is 96 square centimeters. Now we need to add those 3 answers, so plus 80 and plus 60, and that will be 236 square centimeters. Yeah, so very important is that you need to know which length belongs to which side from the cuboid. And of course, yeah, we have in total 6 faces of the cuboid, so that's the reason that I just multiplied there by 2, there by 2, and there by 2, because 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, which is 6 faces. So this is the explanation how to calculate the area of a surface the area of the cuboid in total. So good luck with the exercises.